Okay, I've got CodePen set up now to create a web page. If I click connect to the microbit and click pair, then the microbit is paired and we're getting negative values tilting the microbit to the left, and I've got this code written so if I tilt the microbit to the right, the values are greater than 0. The LED, the blue LED turns on. That's on pin number 1. If the x-axis values are greater than 0, turns on the LED. If they're less than 0, turns it off. Now I used GROK to write this web page. It's the first time I've used GROK right here. I'll put a copy of this text in the description of this video so that you can ask GROK to write you a web page that will do what I just showed. This is the code. I found out the best way to import this code into CodePen. CodePen actually shows the web page. GROK is just writing the HTML code based on what I asked using AI. Here is our copy icon. That's the best way to get this code into, now I'll show you, into CodePen. And I'm finding that CodePen has to be used in Chrome, whereas both GROK and ChatGPT I can do in Brave. Now I had ChatGPT write me the same code, write me code based on the same request. I just copied and pasted the request, and here in CodePen I pasted this in, and for some reason it does not work today. I can connect. I'm connected, but the program does not turn on and off the blue LED pin 1. So I'm in the same CodePen website, but I've used 2 different HTML files. One was created by GROK and one was created by ChatGPT. And GROK seems to know how to write the HTML file based on my request that works to turn on and off the LED using the microbit. I'll show you the code that I have, not that code. This is all the code that I have based on Bluetooth services in this microbit. I said nothing in here about turning a pin on or off. I do have pin service, and I have accelerometer, and I have urart. Those 3 are the ones that are needed. And both GROK and ChatGPT are able to write code for HTML for a web page to be put into CodePen, and CodePen then is able to connect to the microbit by Bluetooth and then display on a web page what I'm asking for, except the code written by ChatGPT does not turn the LED on or off. Same verbiage in my request for the code to be written. This right here. And I will put this in the description of this video so you can test it yourself. There seems to be a limit on how many different requests we can give to GROK. There seems to be no limit on how many requests I can give to ChatGPT. So there will be more.